Hi, welcome to the channel. If you're into saving money on everyday things, hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet saves. Today, I'm showing you how I save money shopping online with Rakuten. So let's dive in. So I've been using Rakuten lately to get cash back on stuff I was already buying. And honestly, it's kind of a no-brainer. Signing up is super quick. Just head to Rakuten.com and hit that Join Now button. You can use Google, Facebook, Apple, or just your email, and it takes maybe 30 seconds. Once you're in, you can shop thousands of stores like Target, Sephora, Ulta, or Walmart, just to name a few. Just click through Rakuten before you check out, and boom, cash back. They also offer hot deals. Under hot deals, you'll see featured daily coupons. If you shop in store, they also offer a way to earn cash back by shopping in real life. All you have to do is add a credit card, add your offers, and pay with that same card. If you're looking to travel, they offer savings and cash back on travels, food and drinks, as well as tax preparation. Even better, add the Rakuten browser extension. It pops up when you're on a site that offers cash back, so you never miss a deal. It basically does the remembering for you. And yes, they actually pay you every quarter. You earn real money. It's either sent to your PayPal or you can get it by check. No points, no hoops, just straight up cash. Here's the sweet part. If you sign up using the link in the description and make your first purchase, Rakuten will send you a $30 bonus, like legit 30 bucks. It's free to join, takes no time, and it seriously adds up, especially if you're shopping online anyway. So go hit that link, grab your bonus, and start stacking those savings. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment if you've tried Rakuten, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to save.